The Literacy Research Association 2026 conference theme, Manifesting Quantum Imaginaries, Researching Literacies as a Trans-Contextual Enterprise, invites a metaphorical reimagination of literacies through a quantum lens. But what is quantum? Simply put, quantum science states that the smallest units of reality do not follow linear rules and instead exist as bundles of potential, holding multiple states simultaneously. Metaphorically, for the research of literacies, this suggests that just as a subatomic particle holds infinite potential when it is observed, a single literacy event, for example, a spoken word, a text message sent, holds multiple meanings depending on where and how it travels, and can thus create limitless possibilities all at once. The LRA 2026 conference theme asks us to see literacies not as a simple what, but also as a complex when and where in the lives of all humans, as literacies in motion. Literacies are always in motion. They are in motion when students move across new contexts and borders. They are also in motion when students do not. The LRA 2026 conference theme makes space for a metaphorical manifestation of quantum imaginaries that liberate literacies as a living trans-contextual enterprise. Through this manifestation of quantum imaginaries, the Literacy Research Association 2026 conference theme hopes to signal a collective reawakening to truths embedded in literacies in motion, truths that are poised to heal, to redeem, reconnect, and radically reshape the shared nows of all.